This is a tutorial on how to make your Windows PC look like a Mac. Let's get started. Okay, the first thing that you want to do is you want to open up my website, which will be in the description. Once you get to this page, you want to click on videos. Here are all the links of the things that you'll need for this tutorial. For this tutorial, there are 5 things that you'll need to load onto your Windows machine. The first thing is called Login Studio. Just hit download now and download the software. Next, we're going to do Windows Blinds. So download that. Next one is Object Dock. Download that. You need to download the theme. So scroll down and hit download. And then also download the cursors. So click here and start the download. Okay, after you finish downloading everything, you should get four icons: Mac OS X Tiger, Windows Blinds, Mac OS X Cursors, and Object Dock. Let's start with changing the theme of your Windows machine. Right-click on OS X Tiger, then click Open With. Select Windows Blinds from the window and press OK. Then click on Windows Blinds. What you want to do is at the bottom, move this little arrow wheel until, move this little arrow wheel until you get to Mac OS X Tiger. Double click that. Then click on 24 styles down at the bottom, and I would recommend that you move the little thing until you get to let me see, where is it? Platinum Aqua AM. Or actually no, Platinum Aqua. Then double click. You can now close Windows Blinds. You may notice that Windows Blinds has changed your start dock, and it's also changed the close buttons. Next, let's get your dock set up. Well, double click on Object Dock. Click Create a new dock, then click Create New Quick Launch. A dock will appear at the bottom of your screen. To make your dock look mostly like a Mac, click on My Dock, Show Running Applications, Show Running Applications, click on that, unclick Do Not Show any individual windows, and then also click Show Maximize Windows. For the taskbar objects, click Move the taskbar to the right side of the dock. Next, you want to hit Size. I made mine. No, never mind. Inside the size and color, click on Running Indicators, and then hit Choose Running Indicator. Then you want to click white circle and hit OK. Then edit icon transparency and make sure that it's all the way at the end. and then you want to click Enable Blur Behind. And you can unclick Stretch Background proportionally. For the effect, make sure that it's Zoom Effect, and I made mine 17 pixels, and the zoom width 4 items. For the accessibility, I would recommend that you click Keep on Top, and I move the delay to long. That's everything inside Object Dock. Next, let's change the cursor. What you want to do is you want to go into your Start menu, and then hit Control Panel, then scroll down to where it says Mouse. Then click on Pointers, and then for the normal select, you want to hit Browse, and then I saved it to the desktop. Then go into Mac OS X Cursors, and then find the one that says Normal. Normal select, double click. Let's do the next one. Help Select. I like the colorful one, so I'm gonna select the Help Select there. Double click. Working in background. I'm gonna make mine the busy. No, actually no. Scroll down to working in background. And for the busy, I'm gonna select just busy. Now continue to do the same thing with all these other ones. They'll be the same as the name. Then click Save As, and then type Mac OS X, and then click OK. Click Yes, and then click Apply. Now your mouse is like the one in Mac OS X. Now that we've got all the programs set up, let's make your Windows machine really start to look like a Mac computer by adding icons that we can put into the dock. Go onto my website where it says the project, and you want to download these last 5 icons. These are all links to icons. Just a note, for the wallpaper, you want to hit Save the Image As, and then just save it onto your desktop. Desktop. Save. Here are just a couple of fine, just little tweaks to just finish off the process. First, what you want to do is you want to right click on the taskbar and click Unlock this taskbar. Then drag it to the top. Then you can lock it again. Also, if you have Quick Launch, like myself, right click, toolbars, and unclick that. Next, if you're running Windows Sidebar, you want to exit that. Oh, sorry, it's at the top. Exit. The next thing you can do, since you saved this Mac wallpaper to your desktop, you can right click and say Set as Desktop Background. Or you can choose another image to use on your desktop. You may notice that my dock has more docklets in it than before. What I did is I selected all the icons on my desktop and I dragged them into the dock. Now let's get your dock set up for being a Mac OS X machine. First thing that you want to do is you want to right click on the Start menu and click Remove this item, or Remove icon. Then just hit Remove. Also, you want to get rid of the weather docklet. Remove the trash, Or actually, no, don't get rid of the trash. The clock. And things like Windows Update don't have an icon, so you can remove those as well. A standard item in the dock for Mac computers is a Finder. What you want to do is you want to go into your Start menu, click on your user account, then type in Windows Explorer. At the bottom you should see Windows Explorer. Simply drag that into the dock where the Finder would normally be. You can then close the window. After you drag Windows Explorer into the dock and you've named it Finder, right click, then hit Settings, then hit Customize this icon. Then click on the little arrow, browse for an icon, and then select the Finder icon on your desktop. Then hit Open. I'm just going to wait until it looks on my desktop for all the other icons that I have. So it's done finding them, and you'll see here it says Desktop, and it says and here's the Finder icon. So I'm just going to select that and hit OK. Now my Windows Explorer is Finder and it has the correct icon, and it brings to this window. Some of us, such as myself, like to have system preferences in the dock. What you want to do is you want to go into Start, then click Control Panel, then drag the little icon right up here into your dock wherever you want the system preferences to be. Then you can close the Control Panel window. Now you want to right click it, hit Settings, edit this shortcut, sorry it's blurry, and then in the title, type System Preferences. Then click Change Icon, and it's the same thing just like with the Finder. Browse for an icon, Desktop, scroll down, and then select the System Preferences icon. This time it should be a little bit faster because it's already found all the desktop images. System Preferences, OK, and then hit OK. Now you have your System Preferences that links directly to the control panel.